Hi everyone, welcome to the Success Land YouTube channel, and today is a very special topic. It is going on around the world about Afghanistan, and you all aware that what is happening over there. So आज हम बात करेंगे हमारी टीम से, सक्सेस लैंड टीम के मेंबर्स, हमारे बैच इवनिंग के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो सब क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे अमित से. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट.
So hello Amit, can you please tell us that what is Taliban and why Taliban captured to Afghanistan?
Yeah, so Taliban means that in Pashto language, Taliban refers to the student. Student is called there as a Taliban. Not whole student. Student which follow the radical ideology of any special religion is known as Taliban. Especially Islamic religion, the student which follow the radical ideology of Islamic is known as Taliban. And why they captured Afghanistan? They captured Afghanistan for their own purpose, to spread their ideology. Like how they are able to capture, they are able to capture by not by their own help, by their own. They were able to capture. They were able to capture Afghanistan indirectly by the help of America. Yeah.
So Amit, you mentioned that girls are not allowed to take education and jobs in Afghanistan. Why their girls are not allowed to take education and jobs?
As per the current crisis, girls are not allowed to take education. Why it is so? Because as Taliban think that by the mean of education, girls will be able to rebel them. They will rebel them and they will work against of the Taliban. So they are not allowing to girls to take education. They spread the thing that in Islamic religion, girls are not allowed to take education. The girls should be not allowed to go abroad. Girls should be engaged in their household work, and that's why they have radical ideology. Because of that, they don't allow girls to take education.
Amit, please tell us why America left appendant to Afghanistan.
Yeah, you ask a very good question that why America left Afghanistan. So earlier they were they were sponsoring a lot to the Taliban, and it was around 3 trillion, and it was a very high expenditure to the American. But earlier there is a reason behind it, because they want their force in Afghanistan, and by the mean of their force they want to search they want to take revenge, like Osama bin Laden had done a 9/11 attack, and they to search to operate such kind of operation they were paying to the Afghanistan. And after that, after killing the Osama bin Laden, now it's useless and it's not benefit for them to expend such a big amount, and it's remain in vain. So that's why they exiled from the Afghanistan.
How Taliban harmful for India?
So your question is how Taliban is harmful for India. So most of the people think that Taliban is atrocities which are facing by the Afghanistan only. So as per my view, is Taliban only threatened to Afghanistan, or it is threatened to India? As per my view, it is threatened not only to the Afghanistan, it is threatened to all over the human creature, and India also comes in it, because as Taliban is spreading their radical ideology, and in India there is some group which also follow the radical ideology, and because of that, by the mean of the Taliban, they will be able and they will get some ideas to spread their ideological, and if they would come in the contact with Taliban, so such kind of incident which are happening in Afghanistan would we happen in future in India. So it is harmful for India also. Not in India, it is threatened for whole world.
Please Amit, tell us Taliban is good or bad for Afghanistan?
So is Taliban good for Afghan or not? So Taliban, as per my view, as per my personal view, for the masses it's very bad, because people are facing hunger, they are dying because of starvation, and most of the country are in against of Taliban, but there are few countries which support Taliban. Why they are doing so? Because you will find that the country which are supporting to Taliban are little bit of doing little bit of dictator in their country, as China, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan. And most important thing, why Pakistan is supporting Taliban, because most of the people think that Taliban is spread in Afghanistan, and it would be like Taliban take birth in Afghanistan, but their assumption is wrong. Taliban first take birth in Pakistan and it spread in Afghanistan. So as it first take birth in Pakistan, so Pakistan is also supporting the radical ideology, and the country which are supporting the radical ideology of Islamic, so they are supporting Taliban for their own selfishness, not for the whole world, not for the citizen. They are supporting Taliban for their own purpose, for their own selfishness.
Hi Amit, tell me about what kind of problems are faced Afghanistanis.
Yeah, so problem facing by the Afghanis are like Taliban has banned most basic needs of the people, like such as in Afghanistan now women are not allowed to wear clothes by their own choice. They are only allowed to wear burqa and all, and men are not allowed to keep clean shave. It is a compulsion to have mustache and beard look, and the game is chess is also not allowed. Cinema hall are closed, and cinema hall are not allowed, and it will make their masses to be poor. And people have two kind of fear: one that they will be killed by the Taliban, and second they will be killed by starvation. So their life is not secure, and they are deprived even from their basic needs. So these are the main problem facing by them. Their girls are not allowed to ride bicycle, ride bikes, and they are doing discord, they are doing discrimination between male and female. So these are the main problem, and especially for the girls, Taliban is creating lot of atrocities.
What is current situation there?
Yeah, so current situation in the Afghanistan is that like it's went more than 1.5 months that they have formed their own government, and they have demolished the democracy. They are having the monarchy system there, and it would be like a dictatorship, like there earlier there was a democracy and it became to monarchy system there. So nowadays it would be in future like there would be like not democracy, there would be election system would be closed in the near future, because Taliban is a dictator and it will spread dictatorship among the country people. So it would be very bad for the future for their citizens.
What is the strength of army in Afghanistan?
Yeah, so your question is that what is the strength of Afghanistan army. So if I talk about current situation, they have not a single strength. And if I talk about earlier situation, at earlier situation Afghanistan has around 3 lakh of military power, and Taliban is just 85,000. But in spite of that, Afghanistan military surrender in front of Taliban. Why it happened? It happened because America sponsored Taliban instead of sponsoring military. Because of high weapon, because of high skill weapon, because of high skill military training, Taliban became able to defeat military, and military remain unable to overcome from the Taliban. Because of support of America, Taliban became more powerful than the military power in Afghanistan. So at the current situation, their military power is demolished by the Taliban. They have not a single strength.
Afghanistan, don't lose hopes.